Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I am going to academy and I decided to make a video in front of the people and on the road. So it's rain today, so that's why I decided to make a video because the weather is so pleasant. The weather is so beautiful. It's rain and everything is wet. So that's why I decided to make a video, and now I am going to the academy. And one thing more that I am going to mention in this video, that is, most of the people ask that how did you learn English and how will we learn English language. So for that I want to show you that how will you learn English language. It's not difficult, it's so easy, but it needs time, it needs practice, and it needs confidence. When you have these all things, it means you can improve and you can learn. There are 4 skills which you must have in yourself. What are they? The first one is speaking, the second one is listening, the third one is writing, the fourth one is reading. So these are the 4 skills that it will help you to improve your communication skills, to improve your English language. These are the skills that I am following and I am employing on myself. So if you want to learn English language, then must use these skills, must utilize these skills. It will help you a lot, otherwise you will be not able to speak English fluently. So I request you all that whenever you want to learn English language, must know about it and learn everything and remove fear from yourself. Now I have come out from the home and I decided to make a video. When I reach to my academy, and I will ask to my sir that please sir, do you allow me to make a video? If he allows me, then I will make a video in a class. So thank you.